where it begins. Phase 1 of the pineapple juice production process, covering everything from cultivation right through to harvesting. We look at the color change from the bottom up, then listen for a solid sound when tapped. If a slip pulls easily from the crown, it is ready. Look at this one, it's perfect.
Yes, the red tags are ready for tomorrow.
We harvest these manually to protect the quality of the fruit.
Any other way and they bruise too easily. It all has to be done by hand.
We need 3 more crates for the first truck. Move them over here quickly.
Welcome to the receiving bay. This is where all our freshly delivered pineapple enters the factory. We inspect every crate at this stage. Okay, lift it slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Got it. Bringing it out now.
Check the crown on this one.
Looks fine. Moving it through.
Our quality control process is rigorous. We inspect each pineapple, checking the crown for freshness. This stage removes dirt and mud from the pineapples before they move on to deep cleaning.
pineapple is washed using chlorinated or ozone-treated water to remove bacteria and contaminants.
The robotic arm gently lifts the freshly sanitized pineapple, allowing excess water to drain before moving.
This is phase 5, peeling and cutting of pineapple. Our state-of-the-art machinery ensures a precise cut and perfect peel every time.
Welcome to phase 6, juice extraction. Here, the crushed pineapple pulp flows through these transparent pipes for processing.
In phase 7, filtration and clarification, we utilize this end system to separate the pulp, resulting in
In phase 8, we focus on the premium formulation of our pineapple juice, ensuring a perfect natural balance and the highest quality.
Pineapple juice flows into a precision formulation tank. Natural pineapple sugars are carefully balanced.
In phase 9, our pasteurization process uses state-of-the-art heat exchangers to ensure both product safety .
Phase 10 is the rapid cooling of the pineapple juice. This is critical to prevent any quality loss after pasteurization. We are now in phase 11, filling and packaging of the pineapple juice. Hygiene and product safety are our top priorities in this automated facility.
12, storage and distribution. Here, we ensure the absolute freshness and safety of our pineapple juice through controlled logistics.
Have you tried this pineapple juice before?
Oh yeah, it's the best one they have.
It's really refreshing.
This is the premium pineapple juice. It's on sale this week.
Oh, wonderful. I love this one.